A restrictive covenant prevents a landowner from using the landowner's property for certain purposes. In Cowling v. Colligan, we explore the circumstances under which a landowner may avoid operation of a restrictive covenant. R.M. Colligan owned Tract 2 in the Post-Oak Garden subdivision. A restrictive covenant provided that property in the subdivision could be used only for residential purposes. Colligan, however, proposed to use Tract 2 for commercial purposes. R.E. Cowling, who also owned land in the subdivision, filed a class suit against Colligan in Texas state court. Cowling asked the court to declare that the restrictive covenant was valid and to enjoin Colligan from using Tract 2 for commercial purposes. The evidence adduced at trial established that slightly less than one-half of the tracts in the subdivision contained homes. There were also several churches in the subdivision. Tract 2 was on the subdivision's perimeter. It was bounded by Westheimer Road on the south. When the subdivision was platted, Westheimer Road was a small country road. Since that time, however, it had become a well-traveled main road. Several nearby properties outside the subdivision were devoted to commercial purposes. The trial court found that the restrictive covenant was valid. It hadn't been waived or abandoned. However, the trial court also found that changes in the vicinity of Tract 2 rendered continued enforcement of the restrictive covenant against that tract inequitable. Accordingly, the trial court ordered that Tract 2 be removed from the scope of the restrictive covenant. The Texas Court of Civil Appeals affirmed. Cowling appealed to the Texas Supreme Court.